Hello, my name is Eileen. What are your two biggest wishes this year? My two biggest wishes is no more school and drink many cocoa in this year. My first wish is no more school. It is because I want to sleep at my home for the whole day. And I don't want to study. Also, if I go to school, I am very sleepy. So I am always boring at school. And I have a lot of study time, but I go to academy and do my homework. However, I don't go to school, I can sleep more. My second wish is drink many cocoa this year. It is because I very like cocoa, and I drink cocoa very often. Also, I drink 3 cocoa at one day, but my parents don't buy many cocoa, so I don't drink it, and I want to drink cocoa all day. Also, if I drink cocoa, if I can reduce some stress. In conclusion, my two biggest wishes is no more school and drink many cocoa in this year. It is because I won't sleep at my home all days and I drink cocoa very often. Thank you for listening to my presentation.